Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to create a beat in Bandlab. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I am right now in bandlab.com and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here we have feed, explore, services and library. Here you're gonna find your profile. If you click on it, right here, you're going to find a lot of options like projects, albums, playlists, bands, communities, liked posts, liked albums, liked playlists, playback history. And right here, you're going to find settings and logout option. Basically, guys, if you want to make beats, you need to go ahead and click on create. And then right here, you have two options, new projects, create an empty project, or song starter, generate an idea with AI. So just go ahead and click on new project and then just wait for the page to load. And as you can see guys, this is how it looks like. So firstly, you need to add a sound. For example, I'm gonna add a sound from here, Bandlab sounds, and you can choose any sound that you want. Here you're gonna find packs, loops, and one-shots. Right here, you're gonna find my sounds, favorites, collections, pack, and samples. So for example, I'm gonna pick from here. I'm gonna click right here, and you can choose the sounds that you want. Any sound that you like, you can drag it like this, and this is how you can add it. If you want to make a beat, you just need to add sounds like this, and then you can go and select. For example, I'm gonna select this sound. Right here in the bottom, you're gonna find auto pitch, effects, and also editor. So for example, if you want to add effects to this sound, go ahead and click on effects. And then you're gonna find here all the applied effects on the sound. From here, you can increase or decrease the volume. Here you're gonna find the pan, and from here you can reverb. I'm gonna click on add effects, and here in this list you're gonna find a lot of effects, amps and caps, fills, delay, distortion, dynamics, modulation, and so on. So for example, I'm gonna choose from here any effect, for example this one, and from as you can see guys, these effects I can increase or decrease the drive like this, and this is it. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.